Hi, we have come here today with some sad news of the passing of Bunny Wailer. So, thank you for tuning in to St Alban TV. We're going to be giving you just a quick rundown at what took place today. He actually passed away early this morning. Legendary reggae singer died around 8 a.m. at the Medical Associates Hospital in Kingston. Bunny Wailer, the co-founder and the last living member of Jamaican reggae group the Wailers, who took Bob Marley to global stardom, has now died aged 73 years old. His manager Maxine Stowe confirmed his death, which you can find details of that in the Jamaica Observer. Wailer had been frequently hospitalised since suffering a stroke in July 2020. Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness was among those paying tribute, offering deep condolences to his family, friends and fans, and calling his death a great loss for Jamaica and for reggae music. Born Neville Livingston in 1947 in Kingston, he and Marley became friends as toddlers and formed the Wailers in 1963, which settled into a core trio of a pair along Peter Tosh. They released their debut album, The Wailing Wailers, in 1965, which included their Jamaican chart topper, Simmer Down. I remember that song actually. Well, although I wasn't born in those times, I remember it being like a classic to listen to growing up. Before going on to his hiatus, when Marley moved to Delaware in the US, Wailer was convicted for marijuana possession in 1967 and served a 14-month sentence. Those were the times where you could really go to prison for marijuana, which is just completely ridiculous. So further about him, they reconvened after Marley's return and the Wailers' release, teaming with producer Lee Scratch Perry and his group The Upsetters, and began recording tracks in a new, slower reggae style that had emerged out of ska. Wailer penned a number of the group's songs, including what would become his signature song, Dreamland. By the early 70s, the Wailers had added new members and signed to Island Records, which aided the popularity of other new reggae stars, such as Jimmy Cliff, helped bring them to international audiences. They had a global breakthrough with the fifth album, Catch a Fire, 1973, and it follows up Burning, which featured what would become one of Marley's signature songs, I Shot the Sheriff. The original trio split in 1974 when Wailer, alongside Tosh, he began a solo career, beginning with 1976 acclaimed Black Heart Man, and maintained a steady release scheduled for 40 years. He won the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album 3 times in 1991, 1995 and 1997. One of Bunny Wailer's highest achievements is actually being awarded an Order of Merit, which is the country's 4th highest honour. The government again recognised his contribution to Jamaican music in February 2019 with a Reggae Gold Award. Although it's so sad to hear of his passing, we have to just show him respect, and may he rest in eternal peace. And long live all his musical contributions. Hopefully the government of Jamaica will ensure arrangements are made so that he is buried in Heroes Circle. This is St Alban TV and we're out.